Did you know you could bring your own drinks aboard a cruise ship? Well, you can, depending on your cruise line. Hey everyone, Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's Cruise Tips video. Before we get started, if you would, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so, helps our channel grow, and allows us to continue bringing you cruise tip videos. So bringing your own drinks on board with you is one way that you can save some money and also have access to your favorites, especially if the cruise line doesn't carry your beverage of choice. Now, each cruise line does have its own policy, so always check the cruise line's website. That way you don't show up at the cruise port with something that you will not be allowed to bring on board. Now, the first thing to remember is that any drinks that you do take with you on a cruise ship, you have to put in your carry-on luggage. So if your room is not going to be ready for a couple hours after you board the ship, you are going to have to carry that around with you until then, so that is something to keep in mind as well. Carnival Cruise Lines, Royal Caribbean Cruise Lines, and Princess Cruise Lines do allow you to bring 12-pack cans of either soda or juice with you on board, while MSC, Norwegian, and Disney Cruise Lines currently do not allow it. And that's one 12-pack of cans per person. Now, all of these cruise lines, with the exception of MSC, do allow you to bring bottles of wine or champagne on board. Now, the number of bottles, the size of the bottle, and any corkage fees do vary between the cruise lines. So again, verify with the cruise line's websites so you know specifically what your cruise line does allow. Now, Disney Cruise Line is currently the only cruise line that will allow you to bring 6 cans of beer with you on board during embarkation day, and then 6 more cans at each port that you visit. And they are currently the only ones that do allow you to bring your own beer on board. Just remember, it can only be in a can, no bottles. Royal Caribbean and Disney Cruise Lines both also allow you to bring bottled water on board. Now, most cruise lines don't allow it, but they do have the option to pre-purchase bottled water and have it waiting for you in your stateroom when you board the ship. So bringing drinks on board can definitely save you some money, especially if you do not have the drink package or you don't want to pay the higher cost of purchasing one drink at a time, or perhaps you just have a favorite drink that you don't want to go without while you're out on your cruise. So definitely check your cruise website, see what you're allowed to bring on board. It will help save you some money, give you the drink that you most want while you're on vacation, and make your trip even that much better. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.